Hi, it's nice to see you again in my new video. This is another episode of my tricky behind-the-scenes movie series. And in this episode, I'm gonna share with you my shooting story behind this forest panorama in the early morning. My name is Yuxun Guo, 360 photography lover and specialize in one-shot 360 photography. If you want to start over and master your one-shot 360 camera beyond professional, this channel was made for you. I get up very early this morning and I ride my bicycle there. Sunlight is so great and I'm gonna take a very interesting panorama in that forest. In fact, I have captured several high-quality panorama with DSLR and mirrorless camera in the past few years, and I will also share these photos with you in this behind-the-scenes movie. And once again, I vlog with the Insta360 1R 1-inch Leica mod. Unfortunately, I dropped my Blink 500 on the way to the forest, so I cannot vlog with the external microphone. And it's windy today, so the sound quality is not going to be excellent. And I apologize for the sound quality in this video. And in this video, I will also share with you what I was thinking about the scenery, the point of view, and how I operate the camera to capture the best imaging quality. At the end of the spring, I'm very happy to be in the forest again and getting up very early, so you can see this very beautiful sunlight and the flowers and the trees above. And in this video, I would like to take a very beautiful morning panorama in forest with my one-shot 360 camera. And you can see the forest, it's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. And actually it's around 7 o'clock in the morning. It's not so early. And the sun has come up at this place. So you can have a very good light condition. Yes, now the wind is blowing into my face. It make me feel very comfortable. And this is my shooting setup. The QooCam AK, the Insta360 1R short selfie stick is very universal and very versatile. And this is a mini tripod. Considering I'm going to take the shot at a very low angle, I'm going to put the camera very low near the purple flowers. And because the wind is blowing the trees, so I cannot shoot in dual fisheye HDR DNG because every frame has lots of moving objects for me to capture the final shot. This is my first shooting spot. I put the camera in around the purple flowers, just like the spring blossom. And but look at this very small trees, and look at this. It's just lovely. And I put the camera here, so all the surroundings, the near from close to infinity, all have great details. And I use the app to shoot in DNG 8 mode. Now don't take the shot. You can see from the light preview is really great, and especially about this place. You can see here. And I'm sure that I could capture this shot in ISO 100. So just this auto mode, lower the bracket, -1 dB, and I can bring back more of the highlight in the post. Oh, look at this. Look at that. It's just beautiful, right? Yes, go take the shot. Now I'm walking far from the shooting spot, so that I could be invisible in the final shot. And you can see now I'm invisible. Take the shot. Okay, first one. And because the flower is moving around, so capturing DNG8 and stacking raw parts will give you the best possible quality without any ghosting. Okay, and yeah, I think this place is really nice because yes, I'm gonna take one here because this place you can see rotate around, because shooting at this spot you can also see some of the flowers. It's very beautiful. Okay. Judging from the live preview, you can see the flowers against sunlight. It's just beautiful. Take this shot. Okay, it's -1 EV because I want to bring back more detail in the highlight, and I can post the shadow area with RAW plus. Next, the final shot. I'm running out of time. Let's take a shot at around this place. I think this place is going to be very interesting, considering its location. Nope, it's not good. And oh, there's a man playing Kung Fu. Last shot is here. Place here, put it here, because in this place, not only I have beautiful flowers, and I have also have the texture on the tree. Better put it here. Okay. Yes, and in this place, you can see in the live preview, not only I have a very beautiful texture on the tree, but I have also captured these flowers against the sunlight. Like this. Yeah, it's great, isn't it? It's great. Okay, that's my last shot, and hide. Nope, I have shadows. Okay, it was space. Hide myself. Yes, I captured the final shot.
My shadows, they follow you like an accomplice. Lost all of your dreams, the night is harder. My shadows, they follow you. My shadows, they follow you in the darkness.
I'm very happy with the result I have captured this morning, and I'm also feeling excited to share with you my personal shooting stories behind the scenes. I should get up around maybe 5 o'clock, and I want to capture the sunrise because I missed the golden hour of the day, and although the light is also very good, but it's not perfect, not even close. Maybe in the future of our tricky behind the scenes movie series, you guys might see another episode of the same forest once again captured with One Shot 360 camera. And this is my story behind the scenes. If you like it, please thumb up, subscribe, and hit notification bell. I will see you in my next video. Bye.